Hi, the first instructional tutorial that I chose was Kahoot. I know Kahoot is familiar to many teachers, and I had heard of it before, but I have never used it or never seen anyone use it before. So I went in and started exploring, and so that is kind of the reason I got started. It is free for the basic version, and you can pay for premium version. The idea is that you can use it as a tool to create assessments where you could import pictures and questions and save that, and then you can assign the assessment to different students. It was fairly easy to use. It can be used with elementary school children all the way through adults. To create one, you actually go through this home screen here, and you can say create. And there are different tools here. Again, some of these are only available using the premium version that I didn't sign up for. Here's how you can create a new one. You can import your picture or image here that represents the assessment that you're making. You can type the question here. And then you can add an answer and create multiple questions to go through. Students can do this on their laptop, or they can load the app on their phone if it's for maybe the high school students or even middle school. And then some of the benefits. I watched some of the videos that are in here of people that have been using Kahoot for a while. Some of the benefits is that you can review material over and over that your teacher assigns. So one claims that in his high school classes, he was able to improve the scores on tests by about 15% because students could review the information over and over. And then one of the fun things that I saw when looking through here is that you can actually go through and discover, you can search on a number of different topics, and you can find Kahoots or presentations and quizzes that are already on here that you can do even outside of school with friends or family members about Thanksgiving football, about Thanksgiving as a whole. And again, you just assign whatever you want for someone else, and that you can kind of play together on these assessments. So I found it pretty interesting and very user-friendly. The ISTE standards that I thought for educational leaders were applicable here were 3D, support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of students, and also 3E, develop learning assessments that provide a personalized, actionable view of student progress in real time. So that is it. Thank you.